Who knew khaki could be so chic? This Warsaw apartment throws out the rulebook, proving that the military's favorite shade can create an incredibly elegant and inviting atmosphere. Forget what you think you know about army green. Interior designer Olga Gryban, based in London, has transformed this Warsaw apartment into a haven of intimacy and comfort using khaki. The walls and ceilings are drenched in the color, creating a surprisingly soothing effect. The apartment, located in a new-build neoclassical block, was designed for a world traveler with a taste for the finer things. Gryban chose the Konstantin district of Warsaw, known for its prestigious green suburbs, historic villas, and quiet exclusivity. The building itself, with only 6 apartments, already offered a sense of privacy, and the original layout was well considered, requiring minimal adjustments. The homeowner wanted a space that mirrored the comfort and style of the world's best boutique hotels. Gryban's first steps involved relocating the entrance to the main bathroom to create a sanctuary-like suite, and adding a discreet utility room to hide away functional needs. The design concept revolved around hedonism and comfort, defined by deep, earthy tones and natural materials. The palette features deep khaki green, black, and taupe, punctuated by jewel-like accents of ruby red, deep sapphire, and emerald. The brighter hues appear sparingly, often through art or custom furnishings, maintaining a calm and refined mood. The kitchen, with its almost black cabinets and Art Deco-style custom glass doors, anchors the space, while large windows and a pale quartzite island prevent it from feeling gloomy. Like most rooms, the kitchen is painted in Benjamin Moore's Sage Mountain. But here's where it gets interesting. Custom plasterwork is another key feature, particularly on the dining room ceiling and bedroom walls. Gryban designed a fluid, modern ceiling medallion, but couldn't find a local manufacturer. And this is the part most people miss. She commissioned Ukrainian artisans to create it, transporting it from Kiev to Warsaw herself. This bespoke touch is complemented by brass cabinet handles sourced from European auctions and dark-stained timber bedroom cabinets with brass inlays. These warmer accents are crucial in creating the cozy mood the client desired. A Technonova bed, upholstered in quilted ruby velvet, complements the guest bathroom painted in Benjamin Moore's cottage red. Gryban commissioned bespoke rugs with bold stripes and earthy browns to add pattern, echoing their graphic lines with contemporary lighting by Spanish brand Aromas del Campo, including the sculptural art pendant over the dining table. Gryban focuses on enduring materials and details, ensuring spaces remain relevant and inviting for decades. This apartment is a clear example of that, understated yet rich, comfortable yet elegant. What do you think? Does this khaki-infused design inspire you? Would you consider using such a bold color in your own home? Share your thoughts in the comments below.